Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys J10 time setting, and today video titles guys, how can we change phone time in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to change your time in your Samsung phone, so how can you change? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we change time. Friends, open your phone setting. So after on phone setting, we will scroll it, and friends, you can see guys your phone guys the general setting guys, tap on general setting. Friends, date and time setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see set time guys, we will tap here to change it. So friends, you can see hour and minute list guys, you can change from here. So I will change into guys is 12 o'clock, so I will click on this 12 o'clock. Friends, AM PM guys, you can change from here. So once you can see guys your phone time will change guys into 12 am. So like that guys we can change time in our Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.